Hello everyone, welcome to our journey. This is not just a Facebook page story. This is the story of how AI content changed a simple idea into a growing digital brand. This page, The Goldie and the Doggy, started with a simple goal to create emotional, cute, entertaining and viral AI videos that people genuinely enjoy watching. And today, this page has already crossed more than 138,000 followers. Yes, all of this growth came mainly through AI-generated content. In this course, we will show you step by step how pages like this grow fast, how they become eligible for monetization, and how creators are earning real money online from Facebook. Before starting monetization, you first need to understand Facebook's content monetization criteria. As you can see in the dashboard, to become eligible for Facebook content monetization waitlist, a page must meet several important conditions. First, you must be at least 18 years old. Second, your country must support Facebook monetization. Third, your page should be at least 30 days old. Fourth, you need to post at least 3 reels in the last 90 days. These first requirements are actually easy to complete if you stay consistent. But the biggest challenge comes from the next 2 conditions. You need at least 10,000 followers and at least 150,000 unique views within the last 28 days. And this is exactly where AI content becomes powerful. With the right strategy, AI videos can grow faster than traditional content. Cute animal stories, emotional videos, funny moments, cinematic AI reels, these types of content have huge viral potential on Facebook. The Goldie and the Doggy page used funny storytelling of a small boy named Goldie and a dog named Doggy, which used AI visuals, consistency, and smart reel posting strategy to grow rapidly. No expensive camera, no big production team, no studio setup, just creativity, consistency, and AI tools. In this course, we will cover everything step by step. How to create viral AI videos, how to generate emotional AI characters, how to make cinematic reels, how to use AI voiceovers, how to edit videos professionally, how to increase reach and engagement, how to grow followers faster, and finally, how to become eligible for monetization and start earning online. Many creators are already earning hundreds, even thousands of dollars monthly from Facebook Reels monetization. Your earnings mainly depend on your audience country, watch time, engagement, content quality, and consistency. The earlier you start learning AI content creation, the bigger advantage you will have in the future. Remember this, big pages are not built in one day. Every viral creator once started with 0 followers, 0 views, and 0 earnings. But they kept posting, they kept learning, and eventually their content changed everything. So in this journey, we will build, grow, and monetize AI content together. Welcome to the world of AI content creation. Welcome to the Goldie and the Doggy journey. Let's begin the first step.